Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Najee here with honorsoles.com. Welcome to my channel where we talk all about sneakers. In today's video, I'll be covering an Adidas Continental AT review. This sneaker was previously released in the 80s and has recently been re-released by Adidas in brand new colorways. It has gained some popularity lately, so I thought I'll do a review to help you decide if this sneaker is suitable for you. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's review. As usual, we'll first be breaking down the key features of the sneaker, the comfort level, the style, the sizing, and last but not least, where to get these sneakers for the best possible price if you'd like to get a pair. Let's dive right into it. So the first feature that we're going to focus on is the sneaker upper, which is basically the entire top material of this shoe. And for the Adidas Continental 80, this is made of soft leather primarily. And for this particular pair, I must say the leather feels really nice to the feet, it feels really soft, and there's also suede overlay at the toe box as well to add to the design. The thing I like to focus on here is also the holes that are deliberately punched in to the upper, and what this does is that it enhances the breathability of the shoe such that when you put on these shoes there's good airflow, so it enhances comfort as well. Another thing to note for this pair is that I must say that compared to general leather sneakers, the upper is actually pretty stretchy, so it actually feels comfortable wearing these sneakers and not stiff. The upper also has really nice design such as the stripe pattern, which does add some touch to the design of this overall shoe. So the next area that we're going to focus on here is the midsole, which is basically the area that my fingers are going across right now. And for the Adidas Continental 80, I must say that the midsole really isn't anything special. I would say it's pretty similar to shoes such as the Adidas Stan Smith, where it gives decent support and cushioning, but if you're comparing it to running shoes such as the Adidas Boost or Nike Flyknit Racer, then it definitely pales in comparison. But that said, for lifestyle wear, it's definitely sufficient to give you a nice cushioning, nice support for lifestyle wear. I also want to focus here that the midsole is actually really nicely designed with the toe box area and also the heels area having this pop-up design, the Adidas words there, which enhances the design. Moving on to the outsole, we have this nicely designed pattern which does add good traction to your every step, so when you're walking in this, you won't feel like you're just slipping around. There's also really good durability due to the material used. The next area that I want to focus on here is the sneaker collar. And I must say this is one of the more important parts of the shoe, and that is the area that I'm pressing on right now. For the Adidas Continental 80, I must say the sneaker collar provides really decent cushioning through the firm paddings that are lined along it. What this means is that when you put this on, it actually gives a really nice hugging sensation to enhance comfort for you. Moving on, we also want to focus on the back of the sneaker. So if you turn it all over to the back, we see that we have the nice trefoil logo that is at the heel tab, and this really adds contrast to the overall look of the sneaker. If you look further down, we have the heel counter, which is the area that I'm pressing on. This region actually provides great stability for you, and when you couple that with the good cushioning from the sneaker collar, it basically just gives a really nice support on your ankles as well as your heels to enhance your overall wear. And finally, the last area that we're going to focus on here is the lace area. Frankly, there isn't anything special about this area, just your normal flat laces, but some areas that I like to touch on is the sides, as well as the sneaker tongue, which showcases the Adidas trefoil logo and also the Adidas brand name. This doesn't really do anything much in terms of function, but it does add to the simple design to make your sneaker look even better. So now that we've covered some of the key features of the Adidas Continental 80, let's put these on feet to see how they look and also talk more about sizing and also where to get them for the best possible price. Let's get right to it. On feet, the Adidas Continental 80 offers a simple yet stylish design. I must say this is one of my favorite things of the Adidas Continental 80 because its simple design makes it really easy to match with any pants and any outfits. I personally think that the design also gives a really nice contrast as well, so even though it's simple, it definitely isn't one that is boring and just dies out in the crowd. Comfort wise, as mentioned earlier, the cushioning from the sneaker collar and also the overall support given by the midsole does come together to really give you a generally nice comfortable wear. So if comfort is one of your concerns, then you would have to worry because for general lifestyle sneakers, especially leather sneakers, I must say the Adidas Continental 80 has done a well job in providing me with decent comfort. In terms of sizing, the Adidas Continental 80 runs pretty much true to size, so I recommend getting your true size for the best possible fit. These sneakers are also pretty wide foot friendly because the toe box region is actually wider than normal, so for those of you with wide foot, getting your true size will also give a good fit as well. Style wise, as the Adidas Continental 80 offers a slim shape, I personally like to match them with slimmer looking pants to bring out the nice sleek look that the sneaker offers. In terms of pricing, the Adidas Continental 80 carries a retail price tag of just $80 USD, making them one of the more affordable sneakers in the market right now. But of course, why get them at retail price when you can get them for a discount? For as low as 39 USD, you can get them at various online fashion retailers, which is really just a mad steal. I'll link some down in the description below for you to check out. Overall, the Adidas Continental AT is a simple and trendy sneaker that easily matches your outfit while carrying an affordable price tag. If you're looking for a pair of sneakers that is for lifestyle and is affordable, then this pair is definitely the one that's suitable for you. And that pretty much concludes today's review on the Adidas Continental AT. Now I want to hear what you think. Are these sneakers a cop or drop for you? Leave a comment down in the description below. I also hope I've helped you in one way or another through this review, and if I did, remember to also leave a thumbs up and share it around so that others can also benefit from this review as well. Remember to also subscribe and turn on post notification so you are notified every time I upload in future. If you'd like to check out a more in-depth review, you can also visit honorsource.com for the entire written review. With that, I thank you for viewing. It's Nigel here with honorsource.com. I'll see you again soon.